What if I told you that the laziest people on the internet are making more money than people working 9 to 5? No alarm clocks, no bosses, no complicated skills, just a phone, a laptop, and the right system. Stay with me for the next 8 minutes because I'm going to show you exactly how they do it and how you can copy it starting today. Welcome to Wealth Flip, where we turn your spare time into real money. Today I'm giving you the complete lazy person's guide to making money online in 2026. 5 methods, 0 complicated skills, and every single one can be started today for free. Let's get into it. And I'm saving the absolute laziest method for last, method number 5. It's so simple it almost feels like cheating, so make sure you watch until the very end because that one method alone could change everything for you. Method number 1, AI writing services. Here's how lazy this is. You go to ChatGPT, type a prompt, copy the output, do a little editing, and get paid. That's it. Businesses all over the world are desperate for blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, and email newsletters, and they will pay you $50 to $200 per piece. Here's exactly how to start today. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. Create a profile offering AI-assisted content writing. Set your price at $30 for a 500-word article to start. Once you get 5 reviews, raise it to $75. Most people doing this are making $500 to $1,500 a month working just 1 to 2 hours a day. The laziness factor, you're not writing anything yourself. ChatGPT does 80% of the work. You just review, edit slightly, and deliver. Anyone can do this today. Now, before we get to method 2, I want to show you something. Most people overcomplicate this. They spend weeks trying to build a website or create a product. The lazy person skips all of that. Here's what the lazy system actually looks like. Method number 2, selling Canva templates. This is the definition of lazy money. You design something once, you sell it forever. Literally while you sleep, while you eat, while you do absolutely nothing. Here's how it works. Go to Canva, it's free, create a template. Could be a resume, a social media post pack, a business card, an Instagram story template, or a YouTube thumbnail template. Upload it to Etsy or Creative Market. Price it between $5 and $25 and watch the sales come in passively. One good template can sell hundreds of times without you touching it again. I've seen people make $2,000 a month from just 10 templates they made in one weekend. That is the definition of lazy income. The laziness factor, design once, get paid forever, no client work, no deadlines, no stress. Okay, we are almost halfway through and it keeps getting lazier. Method 3 requires almost 0 work up front and pays you every single month like clockwork. This one is my personal favorite. Method number 3, affiliate marketing with free traffic. No website needed, no paid ads, no product to create. You just share a link and get paid when someone buys. Here's the lazy version. Go to ClickBank, Digistore24, or Amazon Associates. Find a product in the make money online, health, or relationship niche. Get your affiliate link. Now go to Pinterest, Reddit, or Quora. Post helpful content related to that product. Drop your link naturally. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. The commissions range from 10 to 75% per sale. Sell a $100 product with 50% commission, and you make $50 per sale. Get 2 sales a day and you're at $100 a day, completely passively. The laziness factor? You post once on Pinterest and that pin can drive traffic and sales for months and even years without you doing anything else. Are you starting to see the pattern? The lazy person's secret is not working harder. It's setting up systems that work for you. Method 4 is the fastest way to get paid in the next 24 hours. No waiting, no building, just straight cash. Method number 4, freelance services powered by AI tools. This is how you make money in the next 24 hours, not next month, not next week, tomorrow. Here's the list of services you can offer today using free AI tools with zero prior experience. Number 1, AI thumbnail creation for YouTubers. Use Canva or Ideogram AI. Charge $10 to $30 per thumbnail. YouTubers need these every single day. Number 2, social media management. Use ChatGPT to write posts. Use Canva to design them. Charge $200 to $500 per month per client. Number 3, AI video scripts. Write YouTube scripts using ChatGPT. Charge $30 to $80 per script. Many faceless YouTube channels need scripts daily. Number 4, AI email newsletters. Write weekly email newsletters for small businesses using ChatGPT. Charge $100 to $300 per month per client. The laziness factor. AI does the actual work. You just manage the delivery. Start with one service, get one client, and build from there. Okay, you have been waiting for it. Method number 5, the laziest method of all 5. The one that requires the least work, costs nothing to start, and can make you money while you are literally sleeping tonight. Here it is. Method number 5, faceless YouTube automation. This is the king of lazy income in 2026. You never show your face, you never record your voice, you never appear on camera, and yet YouTube pays you every single month. Here's exactly how it works. Pick a niche, make money online, motivation, AI tools, or top 10 lists. Write a script using ChatGPT. Generate a voiceover using 11 Labs. It costs almost nothing. Create the video using Pictory.ai. It automatically matches visuals to your script. Upload to YouTube. Monetize. Once your channel hits 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you apply for YouTube monetization. After that, every video you upload earns ad revenue forever. One video can make money for years without you touching it again. The laziness factor? The entire process takes 2 to 3 hours per video. Once uploaded, it earns money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, forever. That is the laziest income system on the internet in 2026. Here's your lazy person's 30-day plan. Week 1, pick method 1 or 4 and get your first paid client. Week 2, set up method 3 and post 10 affiliate pins on Pinterest. Week 3, create 5 Canva templates and list them on Etsy. Week 4, start your faceless YouTube channel. By month 2, you have 4 income streams running on autopilot. And there it is, the complete lazy person's guide to making money online in 2026. 5 methods, all beginner-friendly, all free to start, and all working right now in 2026. Now you know the lazy methods, but here's the real question. Why do 99% of people try these methods and still fail? I made a full video answering exactly that, and more importantly, how to make sure you are in the 1% that actually succeeds. Watch it next. Link is right there. Subscribe to Wealth Flip for a new money-making video every single day. And remember, the laziest path to wealth is the smartest one. Watch this video next. Why 99% of people fail at making money online and how to be the 1%. If you want to make sure you are in the 1%, watch that video right now. Link is right there.